Hi guys, I am here again with few golden quotes. So the recipe of success is to study while others are sleeping, work while others are relaxing, prepare while others are playing, and dream while others are wishing. Never stop learning. If you learn one new thing every day, you will overcome 99% of your competition. Commit yourself to lifelong learning. The most valuable asset you will ever have is your mind and what you put into it. There are essentially two things which makes us wiser: the books we read and the people we meet. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sai Academy. Thank you.